My name is Brother JD. I started El Ray's Garage in my own backyard years ago. I knew it then, and I know it now. There are thousands of people that build awesome rides right from their own homes. That true artistic innovation takes place in the backyards of our great nation. Time to give real builders a chance to show off what they've put their heart and soul into, and at the same time, give a little bit back to charity. A celebration of the blue-collar nation. A show for the people, by the people. Welcome to Wrench Wars.
Welcome to Wrench Wars. Let's bring it to the game!
Here we go, round two. Round two is all about the inside of the ride. Engine, tranny, electrical, gauges, interior. Anything you can talk about that you really can't see is the trucks rolling down the road. That's what we want to hit on this round. Are you guys ready to see what you're playing for? Oh man, you're gonna like this one. This is from our good friends over at QuickTrick. This is a portable, affordable wheel alignment system. This was designed by a race car driver. Every race, different tracks, he needed a setup. Camber, caster, tow, he designed this so he could do his cars on the fly. On the track, in the driveway, or at your shop, the leaders in portable wheel alignment and one affordable system for every vehicle. These things mount onto your wheels. You've got your plates right there for under your tires. You've got some measuring right here, man, and you can set it up at your house. You don't have to spend all that money that we always do when we set up our rides. We got to take it somewhere and hope they do it right. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for QuickTrick. All right! Special thanks to C10 Lifestyle. Special thanks to QuickTrick Alignment. Always a big old thanks to Blaster Corp. We appreciate you. There are no losers in this thing, so this is for your charity. There's a big old $1,000 for you, okay?
Right on.
All right? There's a check for yours too, man. Great bout tonight. Thank you for sharing your rides with us. And you know, like we always say right here at Wrench Wars, if you do the backyard boogie, you know what to do.
Bring it to the cage! All right!